Good day. Hope all is well with you. Have you ever heard the sentence, come on, get over it? Either you spoke it to someone or someone spoke it to you. Let's ponder upon this a little while together today. And I'm guaranteeing you that if you follow me through, you're going to take out something really nice and we're going to be able to find, let's look for the good in this. This morning I was talking to someone who, because of the pandemic, their life is disrupted. They used to have schedule and things that were made one after another, really well organized, and now everything is up in the air. That person didn't feel really good and felt out of place and a little lost even. And so, and they said, but you, Francois, you're so calm and positive and everything. And for those of you that know me, it's true. I'm a very positive guy, helping others and uplifting others, hence the videos that I'm doing to try and do the same to more people. And so I tried to sit down and I relaxed and stayed calm and tried to help that person overcome their challenge at that time in their life. And we got a good talk. And when I hung up, they were feeling much better. That was good. Then I talked to someone else and asked, how you doing? And there was little challenges that were different than the previous person I talked to, but nevertheless challenges that that person at that time was living in their life. And I'm pondering on this, and I went back into my office and started to do my things. And my day was doing, pretty good. Still thinking and praying for these people so that they may overcome their challenges as well. And then I get a phone call or an email, sorry, from someone that's I have a construction company as well as other companies, and something just flew south. Like it didn't go well at all. Products, things, everything wrong. And so I stayed calm, took a breathe in and said, okay, what can we do? And the solutions they were offering were not satisfactory. And it was starting to shake me to the foundation. My calmness was not getting as calm as it could have been, but I didn't raise my voice. I kept it inside and said, something else needs to happen with this. We'll need to talk about it later. And then we end the conversation, and I call back and reminded something to them as far as the discussion to put some more details into it. Long story short, says, okay, we hang up. And then this guy was not happy. And so I let the outside circumstance control the way I felt. So as you can see, I'm dressed a little fuzzy here, and I didn't even shave. And it's because I was getting down on myself. And so I went outside and I did some scraping of paint. And as I was doing this, I said, hold on, what would you tell people feeling that right now? And then I smirked and I said, I tell them to smile. And then I started to smile. And as I started to smile, my burdens got lighter. And I says, wow, it's working. I'm telling it to others. I'm living it all the time. But now that I was in a precarious and not precarious, but different than situation as unpleasant, I used that tool of putting a smile on my face, and it lightened me. And then I was thinking, I says, we all have different levels in our lives of how much we can take. That, coming back full circle, get over it. We tell people, we don't know where the people are. We don't know what's happening in their lives. Our job is not to judge them as far as what's going on, but rather trying to support them through the challenge that they have, because we all have challenges at different levels. And we need to get over it ourselves. And one of the best way is to smile. And so one of the things I like to say right now is, well, for things to change, you have to change. I have to change. We need to change. And look, I changed. I shaved, I showered, and I feel much better now. Why is that? Well, sometimes when we don't feel good, small things, menial things can make a world of a difference. I feel so much better. When I was in the shower, I was smiling, thinking about coming back here and making a difference in your life. And now the ball is in your court. You too, when things don't go good, and it'll happen that it doesn't go good in your life, like it does in all of our lives. Let's start by smiling. Put a smile on your face, and it's going to be a chain reaction in your life and in the lives of others. And actually, even I put this tie that's got the harvest on it. And so let's face it, when we go through this, and we will go through this, As we continue to plant the seeds of good things now, we will reap a harvest that will blossom into great relationships with others. We have put positive deposits into the relationships of the people around us, making a difference in their lives, making this world a better place, sorry. And by price, I mean, what's the price to pay? Work on ourselves. Let's get better so we can improve others as well. And we improve along the way. So I invite you to have more compassion when people are a little down and trying to get back on their feet in this challenging time, and help them and support them. And slowly, with a smile, you may be able to turn them around and help them. Share this message, even out of the blue right now. If you want to talk about it, get a hold of me. Find somewhere on top or below this video, or someplace that you can contact me. Contact me and let's talk. Maybe you can help me, maybe I can help you, but together we will become better. Let's leave everyone we meet with the impression of increase, making them feel better. And it can start as simple as with a smile. Once again, thank you so much for all you do. All the best, and make it a great day.